Right, let's get into the intel, which is fairly lengthy and is kind of in chronological order. This was on Sunday that the Federal Reserve called Kim and asked her to put all the systems back the way it was. So I guess at that point when I wrote this out, their attempt at flying straight didn't last too long at all, and either that or the threats from Lee Kuan worked, even though no one has validated who he is. Now, I have no idea what the hell that noise was. The global system in Bern, Switzerland, operated by the Rothschilds, on Sunday was also down. Now that system manages all the software for the transfers of money. That was down on Sunday. On Monday, the banks in their wisdom decided that they will do a full system restore back to before the year 1998. So much for progression. So they brought out the system that was pre-1998. Now, 1998 was when Langley switched from the AP40 system to the Bravo system. And the Bravo system is part of Echelon, which is or was run by the NSA, CIA, and Israeli embassies. Now, 1998 was also the year that Bill Clinton signed over all in-ground resources to the trust. Oops. So that's where they went back to. So they fired up what is known as the old KTT system, Key Tested Telex system, to avoid using the new VTN system, which was implemented by Kim recently. Now, the KTT system was created in the 1930s and went out of date in the 1990s. This is how bad it's got. And I guess the loop people have completely lost it at this point. Now, whilst the delays are frustrating for us all, none more so than Kim, you can now all see the levels they will go to keep the illusion of being in control. It also shows you how far they have fallen, going back to systems that were created in the 1930s and went out of date in the 1990s. More on that later.